Boys, the craziest thing happened to me. Basically, I just...
What the heck is that?
Where is that coming from? Trump, is that you?
No, bro, it's not me. I'm not in the mood today.
Anyways, I just... Whatever's doing that better stop!
Is the universe making sound effects?
No, Joe, I think it's Trump.
It's not me, guys. I told you I'm not in the mood today. I'm very sad.
Okay, then why are there no sound effect when you're talking?
He's the imposter.
Yep, and you better stop it immediately. Nope.
I'm not the imposter.
And why are you sad, Trumpy?
My pet cow, Daisy, got eaten by a wolf.
Damn.
Okay, that's actually sad.
I know. I was planning on turning her into a Big Mac.
Damn. Okay, if you don't stop, I will actually strap you to a nuke and launch you to the...
Oh, shut up. I told you I'm not in the mood.
This is getting annoying, Trumpy.
Okay, finally. Thank you. So, anyways, I wake up with a weird feeling in my butt, right? All right, Trump, I swear to God, last warning.
It's not me.
Are you done? Anyways, I check it and see that a snake has laid 7 eggs inside my... All right, that's it.
Finally, some peace and quiet.
This soundboard is freaking awesome.